The next section within the Detail tab is the bank details of the employee. More than one bank account may be added for all entities. This means that if an employee has more than one bank account into which the salary must be paid, you can add the different bank account details. Click the New button to add new banking details. If the employee's bank account details change, you have to add a new bank detail record. This message will display. Click Yes. Click in the account number field. Insert the account number. The account holder field defaults from the employee details. You can change this field if necessary. Press the Tab key to move to the next field. Select the account holder relationship. The options are Own, Joint, or Third Party. Select the account type. Select the applicable option. Select the employee's bank from the predefined list. You can add additional banks. Select the applicable option. Select the employee's bank branch. This is a user-defined list. When a bank branch is added, the branch is linked to a bank. When the branch is linked to a bank, the list will be filtered according to the bank selected. Select the applicable option. Press Tab to move to the next field. This field must only be completed when the company makes use of the NED Inform pre-format option for ACB exports. This is a mandatory field. Select the currency in which the employee should be paid from Sage 300 People system. Select whether this is the employee's default bank account. When the employee is linked to a pay run, this bank account detail will default on the employee's payslip definition screen. When adding an employee, the bank details are not mandatory. The bank details will only become mandatory when the employee is linked to a pay run. Once all the fields have been completed, click Save. Once an employee's bank details have been entered and you have saved the record, you will not be able to edit or delete the bank detail record. A warning icon will be displayed in the account number field before you save the record. If you hover over the icon, a warning message in this regard will be displayed. Click the Home marker to return to the Detail tab menu screen. The Entity Relationship section enables you to define the relationship of an entity to other entities in the system. When adding a relationship to another entity, you must select whether this relationship is a parent or a child type of relationship. Click the Next button to proceed with the demonstration to add an entity relationship record. Click the Action button in order to link this entity to another entity. The Entity Relationship section enables you to define the relationship of an entity to other entities in the system. When adding a relationship to another entity, you must select whether this relationship is a parent or a child type of relationship. Click the Next button to proceed with the demonstration to add an entity relationship record. Click the Action button in order to link this entity to another entity. Select the Parent Relationship option if this relationship is related above someone in a hierarchy. Select the Child Relationship option if this relationship is related below someone in a hierarchy. When adding entity relationships that are not parent or child type of relationships, it is irrelevant whether you select a parent or child relationship type. In the Entity column, you can add a new entity record from the Employee's Basic Information screen. In the Type field, select INDV, Individual. In the Subtype field, select FAMI, Family Member. Click the Search button. Select the applicable entity record. Click Select. In the Entity Relationship Type field, select the current entity's relationship to the linked entity from the drop-down menu. In the Relationship field, the relationship to the linked entity will be displayed. This is a read-only field. Tick the Emergency Contact box and press Tab. The contact details will display automatically once this box is ticked. The Swap Relationship button allows you to swap the relationship that was selected when the relationship record was added. In the Relationship Date field, enter a date from when this relationship applied. Select the Beneficiary field if the emergency contact is a beneficiary of a fund that should be paid out. Click the drop-down arrow on the Save button once all the information is captured. Once you've added the relationship to another entity, you should always check that the information was captured. Click the Next button to view the demonstration to ensure the correct entity relationship information was captured. Expand Entity Management on the navigation pane. Under Individual, double-click Family Member. From this Entity List screen, the entity relationship that was added earlier is shown. Click the Home marker to return to the Detail tab menu screen. Section 6B of the Employment Tax Incentive Bill states that an employee is a qualifying employee for the Employment Tax Incentive, ETI, if the employee is either in possession of a South African identity card or is in possession of an asylum seeker permit. Click in the country of origin field of the passport section of the permit screen. Select the country from which the passport originates from the drop-down menu. Select the appropriate option. You are able to move to the next field by pressing the Tab key. In the Passport Issue Date field, use the Date selector to select the date on which the passport was issued. Press Tab. In the Passport Expiry Date field, use the Date selector to select the date on which the passport will expire. Click Save once you've completed all the required fields. Shown here are the other 4 sections that are mandatory to complete should the employee be in possession of one or more of these permits. Click the Home marker to return to the Detail tab menu screen. The Driver's Licenses screen enables you to load an employee's driver's license information. Multiple licenses can be loaded, and a copy of the driver's license may also be uploaded in the Content section. Click the New button. Click in the Country Code field to select the country for which the license is valid. This is a predefined list. Use the scroll bar to view the various options in this drop-down menu. Make your selection from the list. You are able to move to this next field by using the Tab key. Enter the date the license was issued to the employee. Press. Enter the date the license will expire. Enter the license. Click the License Categories Type field. This is a user-defined list. To add a license category, right-click the drop-down menu. Select the Edit option. Click New to add a new category. Click the Code field box. Enter the applicable code. Type a short description, then press Tab to move to the next field. Click in the Long Description field box. Type in a longer description which provides more information, and then press Tab to move to the next field. Click Save All and close. Click Save when the information has been captured. Tick the default box of this category should this be the default type. Click Save All and close. Click Yes. Click the drop-down arrow. Select the option from the menu. Note this is the category that was just added. The License Restriction Type field works on the same principle as the License Category Type field. The applicable selection type must be selected from a user-defined list. Click Save.